Hello, this is Casey Corbin. We're going to talk about doing some advanced embellishment on top of our pour art here. And this is that foam that goes between your toes. Well, not my toes, but whenever you ladies do their toenails. So we're going to knock that down a little bit and go across here like this. Before I did this pour, I used a stencil to put this relief work design on. I'm trying to just glaze across the top and not get down in the cracks. I am using DecoArt's metallic lustre. It's a paste, and it's awesome. Very thick. It comes in all these colors and even more. I've ordered the remaining colors because I like it so much, so that I have them all. And they will be available at the very next Dynamic Fluid Art Workshop in Valdosta, Georgia, this month, in June, I should say, and next month in July in Thomasville, my first Dynamic Fluid Art Workshop there. Oh, excuse me, in Tifton in June, and July in Thomasville. So I think I just messed all that up saying it that way, so it's better for you to go to the event anyway and check it out. You can go to the Dynamic Fluid Art page and click the event column and see what events are going on. We got a nice busy summer with lots of cool classes being offered all over the place. And in the fall, I'll be teaching at Valdosta State University in their continuing education department. And that'll be my first evening classes instead of day classes. And we'll be back at after the summer, we'll be back in the Albany Museum of Art. They are so busy with their children's programs and camps, which is awesome, that they didn't have any space to be able to schedule. They were already fully packed. So I'll be back there in the fall, and lots of new locations. So this is probably the first layer. That ridged work there now allows me to pull that out. Since it's copper, I will probably go with a patina color and add this patina greenish blue teal next over the top, but you're getting the idea here. Well, what you can do is you can take a otherwise kind of boring pour and use these embellishments to snazzy it up.